This is the last of 3 videos covering frequently asked questions, and hopefully if you've seen the previous 2 in this series, then you will have learned how to create and how to configure and style your FAQ plugin set. Now in this video we show you how to add the plugin to your site, which is simplicity itself. All you have to do is either go to the page or create a new page where you want to add your questions. So in our case, let's go ahead and create a brand new page. So we click on web pages, click on add new page, we choose the page which is going to be called how we work. That's the page name, that will be in our menu bar. We click create page and lo and behold, there it is. We click once on it to edit that page. Now we could choose a blank page, but like most cases there is going to be a pre-designed layout that we want, so let's go ahead and choose that. So much faster, so much easier, and it looks so much more professional. Let's have a look inside of the approach section, choosing one at random. Let's go ahead and choose this one. So now we have a nice little style for our page, but we need to go ahead and edit this page so we can add the FAQs. Click on the blue edit this layout button, and let's just place the FAQs at the top. So we make a nice little space. We type in a header for this area, and we're going to call it frequent questions about how we work. Let's give it a little H2, heading 2. Perhaps put a little line underneath. There we go, and in this area we're going to put a coloured row of, let's make it white, pure white background. There we go. Now inside there we're going to paste in, or we're going to plug in our FAQ set. So we use the purple plugin content button. Choose a plugin type, of course FAQs. Now which set of questions do we want to add? We choose the one we created the unique question name, which was quote questions. We click quote questions and click OK. A blue plugin holding image appears. Now this simply indicates that at this point there are some FAQs that have been plugged in. We can't see what's there. The only way to see what's there is to actually save the page. So let's go ahead, click on the red save button, and our questions are then placed there, beautifully styled in the middle of the site, exactly where we want them to go, looking great. And that's how to add the plugins. But just before I leave that, let me show you a few little tips. Let's go back and edit the page. Now we're going to take that plugin, we're going to click on it once, and we're going to click delete. So we still have the coloured background, but we're going to delete the plugin. Now let's style it a little bit. Let's create a couple of columns. Let's choose empty columns, and we're going to choose a couple of columns. The first column a little bit narrower than the second, so if we use a proportion of 5 and 7, yeah, that should be about right. Let's click on there. So we're going to put the FAQs in here, and we're going to put something else over there. So let's go ahead and click on plugin content, choose plugin type, FAQs, quote questions, OK, just like we did last time, except obviously the FAQs are going to be styled a little bit narrower. Now over on the left corner we're going to put in, we can put anything we like in, but if we put in quote questions often asked, make that a header, perhaps a header 3, and let's pop in a little image. Insert image, open library, your library. Let's, what thinks about that? Let's put in a camel. I don't know why. It's going to be a camel. Why not? Insert full size. It's going to be large, so we're going to make it a little bit smaller. Make it 300 wide. Center aligned. Click OK to align it to center. Click to the right of the image. Click on align, and then click save. Now here we have all of our questions. We have the nice little camel on the left. Don't ask me why, but there we go. We can make the picture a big imp. And that sort of gives you some tips and some hints on how to actually style your questions. Hopefully you can see your own content in here now and are realizing just how easy it is to style and to make these frequently asked questions look amazing. So that concludes the 3 videos on frequently asked questions. However, if you master this and you find it easy, you should also look at the testimonial plugin because it's almost identical and equally powerful. So have fun, go build some great content, and thanks for watching.